welcome to our channel. I am doing the different sounds with them that I like to expose the puppies to, and I'm also including the gunfire with them. So if this is your first time with us, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you can be alerted to our videos. That's light green collar girl. And this is Prince Cairo. That's what his family named him. I have his collar on so he's more identifiable. They like that toy. Hi, Bluebell. Hi, Bluebell. Hi, Bluebell. Hi. The light green collar girl, she looks just like Cypy, her daddy. Yeah. Prince Cairo. Hi, Prince Cairo. And my collars are scratchy.
Whoa, fell off. There you go. She fell off.
I'm up too. He might. I don't know. So cute. Isn't that fun?
Yeah.
They like that. Look at that.
That's green and green.
Light green and green. And that's white collar female. Right there. He's falling asleep.
I'm trying to type this.
Yeah? Nice. Look at that.
Yeah. That one came off.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's okay. That's coming pretty good. You got puppy paw in your lap.
Yeah.
So cute. Look how cute that is. Aww. You rode the belly. Rode the belly.
She fell off my lap.
She rolled right off of there.
Yeah. That's funny.
Is she gonna climb back in, I bet? White collar puppy.
No.
Oh, but there she goes. Look at that. Look how cute.
That was white.
That's white collar girl.
This was
And Bluebell. Bluebell was gold collar puppy. That's so sweet.
That one doesn't have a name yet.
No, not yet. You got puppy pile. There's white collar puppy. So cute. Here, pet her. Aw, yeah. See her right there? So cute. Look, she's right there. White collar puppy. That's white collar.
That's one of them. Ow. Ow. Get off.
Okay. Here. Here, Lana. Pet that one. Yeah, the navy collar boy. Yeah. All right. Here, push your foot off of the... There you go. There you go. Here, just kind of push him away from your face, but gently, gently. Yeah, there you go. All right, you want to pet him? Pet. Just pet him, though. Don't push him. Just pet him. Pet him up. Pet him up. Pet both of them. 2 hands. Pet puppies. Yeah, those are the boys. That's okay. Just pet him. Pet him, too. Look, pet that one right there. That one right there. Yeah, pet. Okay. Aw. I'm going to try to do a close-up. The other ones are they've passed out. Yep.
I'm trying to rip that off my shirt.
Yeah?
Here. Move it on.
They're trying to fit in your lap. Your lap's not quite big enough.
No, just yours.
Yeah?
You don't have leggies on, so the puppies will scratch you.
Yeah.
Ow. Don't bite my foot.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, Bluebell. Good girl, Bluebell. Good girl. Good girl. Sam. Look at that. Okay, now I'm going to do gunfire. They did not try to take off or dart away or hide or cower down. It didn't seem to affect them. They've got their tails up and they're just kind of doing their own thing. Hairdryer is on. It's blowing the bag. There we go. Back it up a little bit. Okay. Here we go. Alright. Okay. Vacuum cleaner. Try to get everybody in there. Right there. I think it's good. All right.
think their collars are coming off.
Good girl. Okay, so I put Peppy in there with them. They're not very interested in her at all. Playing and sleeping. I put a little goat milk in there, and that they absolutely love the goat milk. It makes it even more palatable.
They love it.
They do. They love the taste. Mhm. They finished eating, so I'm trying to get them all together here.
get a little better perspective. Look at the babies. Look at the babies. Oh, he's gonna play with Mommy's ear. Okay. What a big boy. He's gonna be a big boy. Yes, he is. He's very lovey. He is. Look at that cute baby. Cute baby.
If you like this video, hit the like button and thank you for watching.